In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to log into your Coursey Graves account and manage your upcoming shipment. Go to www.courseygraves.com. In the upper right-hand corner, click Login. At the login screen, enter your email address and password and click Login. If you don't know your password, click the Forgot Your Password icon here at the bottom of the screen, and a password reset email will be sent to you. Once you log in, you'll land at your dashboard. On the right, you can view or update your addresses, modify your payment information, and edit your login details. To review your upcoming shipment, click View. To adjust your shipment, click Edit Wines. Here, you can see what wines are included in your shipment and what wines you can add. To add wines to your club shipment, simply click the plus or add icons and save your selections. To return to your dashboard, use the drop-down in the upper right-hand corner. Once here, confirm your shipment, address, and payment are correct. Your club shipment will be charged to the card on file at the end of the release period and shipped 3 weeks later. If there are any additional questions we can answer, please feel welcome to call, text, or email.